Hello guys, I'm back with another video. In the previous video I make a video where I was using Seafoam in my Honda Civic catalytic converter. Directly into it I pour the Seafoam directly into the catalytic converter. As I actually follow the one of the YouTube procedure. There is one guy who was doing that, and he said he was pretty successful with that to remove the code P0420. So I used that treatment, and but it did not work with my car. After I drove like 50 miles, the engine light came back, and the code is still there, which I already checked with my scanner. It's still showing the same code. So I have seen one more video. The guy was using this Seafoam treatment and the Cataclean treatment, and with that he was using the premium gas. So I'm not using the Cataclean again. Maybe I will use after like 2 to 3 months, but I'm going to use today premium gas and see how it's gonna go. But I'm pretty sure it's not gonna clean the code, so I'm just using it to see how it's gonna work, how the car is going to react. I do feel some changes in the driving habit of my car, because when I use the Seafoam, after that I feel a little bit like while I'm driving on like 50 miles, 65 miles per hour, a little bit jerky maybe, or maybe it's just the way I'm pressing the gas pedal. I literally feel a little bit difference, like it give me like little bit jerk sometime, not like always, and it cannot be transmission. I'm sure of that because I've been driving it for so long already. It just happened after I poured the Seafoam into the catalytic converter, so I'm not sure what it is. But the good thing is there is no other there is no other code than the P0420 in my car. So yeah, the light is still on the other one, which is a TPMS sensor, which is tire pressure monitor sensor, and ABS light. That was already on, so I'm not worried about that. On that, I'm just worried about this one because it just bothered me, the engine light. So I'm gonna try to clean it, but let's see how it's gonna go. I will be making more videos in the future, whatever I do with my car. If I do some more work on it, I already have installed the fog lights, which they were already there in my car, but the connection was not there, they were not working. So I installed them by myself and make the direct connection in the car. I connect those fog lights directly to the with the battery, and install the a switch in the car by myself. So I did not make video of that because I was unable to make video, and while doing that work, open the bumper and install the cables, and I cannot do both. I did not make video of that because it could have took me way too longer than that it actually did. So if you guys like my video, please subscribe my channel, and I'm gonna probably make more videos in the future, whatever I do it with my car. So stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching. Peace.